Okay, so let's get to it. We have some beautiful potatoes here, right? Yukon Gold potatoes. Don't they look fabulous? Nice and color. Yes. She did her Vanna White.
Here we
have you guys see that? Here we have a potato. So let me get some knives. We're actually going to cut these potatoes about 3/4 of the way through. So I'm going to demo one for you.
Please do.
So I want to cut slices, but not all the way through. So I'm kind of being very deliberate in my approach.
I see what we're doing.
Yeah. Take your time. That's okay. We still have plenty of other potato left.
I thought I knew what I was doing.
You're doing fine. Remember, 3/4 of the way through. Try not to cut all the way down. All right, and then what I like to do is flip it around, and then I attack the other side.
All right.
Yeah. You'll see potato juice flying everywhere. Isn't that something you hardly ever see? Potato juice. Yeah. It's Beetlejuice's cousin.
Ew.
All right, there we go. So I have one potato down. So you can see here, my potato, you can see the slivers in between there, and that's exactly what you want to see.
Nice.
They're perfect. Yes. Okay. Yes, there we go. Oh, yeah, there we go. All right, you can kind of gently pull them apart like that, just to kind of help a little bit. Okay? So we are going to do our second potato, and then we'll show you how to get the garlic and the butter and all the seasonings in there, and then we're going to pop it in the oven. We'll be right back.
Yum.
Hello. Okay, so we're back. Second part of making the Hasselback potatoes. So we have our oven preheating to 400 degrees. Now we're going to melt some butter. Okay, so I'm going to get the heat turned up on this guy.
Turn it
Let's
up.
see if this is the right one. There we go. And I'm going to put it on medium, right, because I don't want to burn the butter. This is not a brown butter sauce. This is just a gentle melting of the butter.
A butter medley.
There you go, a butter medley. All right, so we're going to get some of these goodies in here. So we have garlic. All right, just fresh. Doesn't that look good? Do you like garlic? Are you
I
a
love
garlic lover?
garlic.
Oh, thank God. Okay.
Besides salt and pepper.
Oh,
garlic.
Salt, pepper, garlic. Okay.
Yes.
That's actually a really good combination, right?
You know.
It works for so many things.
It's
Chicken,
a good base. It's a great base.
Fish, vegetables, potatoes.
Amen.
Okay.
Shout out to garlic.
Amen. Shout out to garlic.
What about multifaceted?
Yeah, I know, right? You work on everything. All right, what about parsley? Do you like parsley?
Love parsley.
Okay.
Decorates a dish.
I knew you was going to say that. Just use it for decoration.
If there's any non-cooks out there, we are one.
Oh, man. Oh,
Let's
man.
learn together.
See, that's why I'm here, darling.
We gotta make good friends.
All right, so while we were laughing about garlic, our butter has melted, okay?
Nice.
So what we're going to do, can you scoop some of that garlic in there? And I'm going to turn this off because we just needed it to melt. That's really all we needed.
Did you want the whole thing?
Girl,
Or?
just put a big scoop of it in there. Why not?
Garlic.
You said you like garlic, right?
Love it.
We have 4 potatoes. Do a little more.
Can I just dump this whole thing in here?
Why does everybody just want to dump garlic into the pan on my show? Go ahead and put it in there. Go ahead and put it in there.
Okay. Just slightly. Not a full dump. Just a little.
Just a slight dump. All right. Yep. So we're going to take this and just move it around in there like that.
All right. That looks good already.
Isn't it though? Yeah, so the garlic is actually being infused with the warm butter.
You guys should smell this.
Oh my God, doesn't it smell good?
Garlic butter.
Garlic butter.
We love it.
2 best words we've heard all day. Besides, well, cocktails is 1 word. All right, let's get the potatoes on the pan. So we have a silicone mat here. If you don't have one of these, you can feel free to use aluminum foil or parchment paper. There's my oven that's preheated to 400 degrees. Just make sure you spray it with nonstick spray first. Okay, let's get those other potatoes on here, darling.
All right.
There you go. Perfect, perfect. Yes. Okay, so we're going to hit them with a little bit of this. I'm going to give you, are you heavy-handed with salt? Are you kind of,
What do you need me to be?
Even.
Steady.
Yeah, steady and even. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on top of the potatoes, right?
Okay.
Whoa, dude.
This is interesting.
I know, right? And
You're teaching me things.
Oh, that's good.
I hope you're learning along too.
Make Hasselback potatoes with us.
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to get some of there on there like that. Oh, let's hold this a little bit steady.
Yes.
There we go. Now we're going to hold off on putting the parsley. We're going to do that a little bit later. Just sprinkle a little bit on top with maybe some more butter. Why not?
When do I come with the salt?
After I finish putting the melted butter and the garlic on there. Then we're going to hit it with a little salt and a little pepper.
Nice.
And we're going to wait on the parsley because we don't want the parsley to burn in the oven. It takes a minute for these potatoes to cook, but we are using Yukon Gold potatoes, which means they're going to be light and buttery and creamy and delicious, right?
Talk to me nice.
All right. Shake that salt on there, girl. Was that nice enough for you? There you go. Yep, shake, shake, shake. I'll do the pepper. There we go. Got it on there? Yes. Okay, switch. And I'll do the pepper on this side.
What kind of
Tag
pepper are we
team.
using?
This is actually a seasoned pepper. So
Nice.
it's not just black pepper. It has a lot of different peppers in there.
Yeah.
All right, that's it. So our oven has preheated. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to stick the potatoes in the oven.
Nice. I've cooked.